I'm Trevor Pye. I'm the 10th grade chemistry teacher here at Lawndale College Prep, as long as the 10th grade level lead. A couple opportunities we have to grow as educators here at Lawndale are through the instructional coaching process, which you get tons of amazing feedback from. We also have weekly PDs, and they're both all built in to your work schedule, which is just amazing.
Hi, my name is Jamia Cunningham Elder, and I am the Director of External Affairs at Lawndale College Prep. At NLCP, we really believe that staff need to be taken care of both inside the building and outside of the building, which is why we have partnerships with Weight Watchers, yoga studios, and my personal favorite, our meditation app called Headspace. When you join NLCP, you really are one of the Phoenix family.
Hi, my name is DeAndre Brown, Business and HR Manager here at Lawndale College Prep, where we value the well-being of our staff and make sure that they are equipped to carry out our mission here at our school. We have been very strategic in supporting our staff through competitive salaries, benefits in which we cover over 90% of the healthcare costs, as well as support for ongoing career development. We believe that it is imperative to pour into the wellness, the mental health, and also the overall development of our staff so that they are equipped to adequately support our students and create transformational leaders in and outside of the classroom.
Hi, my name is Kiara Bradley, and I am the Assistant Principal at Lawndale College Prep. Here at Lawndale, we pride ourselves in investing in healthy relationships with both students and staff. One initiative that's really dear to my heart is Bonusly, where we love on our scholars and we love on our staff, and we really show them that they're loved and cared for by looking at tangible things such as how gritty they are, how responsible they are, how engaged they are, and we find ways to ensure that they are both seen, loved, and cared for. Another initiative that I love that is very different from other schools is SAT Boot Camp. That is an initiative where we're here every single Saturday for 3 hours, giving kids the tools to be successful in growing their SAT scores. It's really important for us to build healthy relationships, and I'm really excited to be a part of the team.
My name is Kieran Palmer-Klein, and I'm the Director of Academics for Lawndale College Prep. And one of the things that we pride ourselves on is responding to the needs of our teachers. We understand that there have been lots of changes in different industries that allow a lot more flexible time and time to work from home, and we want to also provide that for our staff members. Each day during the week, we have designated time in the afternoons for teachers to do things like lesson planning, grading, grade entry, and meetings, things that would traditionally be taken home by teachers on many occasions. We've also gone one step further, and from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock on Fridays, we offer teachers the ability to use flex time and actually work from home if that's what they'd prefer. We believe we have a space for teachers that allows the profession to be sustainable and allows people to stay in the profession for a much longer time. And one of the big reasons that we find it to be more sustainable at Lawndale College Prep is the additional flex time for teachers to use as they best see fit.